Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Typeform account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a multiple choice question into your Typeform? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a multiple choice question into your Typeform? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to sift through your prospects, and by doing that, it's going to make your sales process a lot more efficient. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Typeform account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Typeform account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a multiple choice question into your Typeform, first you want to click on your forms. Up here on the top left, there's three options. Make sure you click forms. Next, it's going to show all of the forms you have in Typeform. You can see I have these three. Now, before we go any further, this is assuming you've already set up forms and you just want to add another question, multiple choice. If you need help setting up a form from the ground up, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But today we're just going to go ahead and add a multiple choice question. So let me go ahead and choose this form right here. Okay, so here we are in my Typeform. You can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, and then my Calendly. But if I want to add another multiple choice question, what you can do is click here on add content. Once you do that, you want to look for multiple choice. It's going to be here in this purple section. If you don't see it there for some reason, just go ahead and click in the search bar and type in multiple, right? And you should see it right there, and just click on it. Okay, now you can see it drops the multiple choice question right here, and we can go ahead and fill it out. So first we're going to write our question. So who has the spiciest food? Okay. And rather than just having the user type in, we can give them a choice. So we'll do choice A, let's say India, and then we'll add another choice, Chinese, and you can keep adding a lot of different choices. So let's say Mexican and Japanese, India, which country? Okay. And you're just going to keep clicking on add choice until you have the multiple choice that you want. And as you can see, it automatically saves. You don't really need to save it. So if we click out of it and then we click back into it, you can see that our multiple choice question is there. Now, if you added one that you don't like, maybe I don't want to put Japanese there because it's not too spicy, we'll click X and it's going to delete that. And next, what you want to do is go ahead and arrange where you want this question to show up. So do you want it to be the first question? You can just grab it and drag it up towards the top. Now the multiple choice is first, or maybe we want this multiple choice question to be last. So we'll just drag it right down here to the bottom. Okay, now you're not quite finished until you click on publish here on the top right. Okay, next you're going to see this confirmation. So now we have published a multiple choice question inside of our Typeform. So anybody who goes to this link will see that question as one of the choices here on number 6. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a multiple choice question into your Typeform, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.